Hello everyone, start off by taking some white frosting in a piping bag with this particular nozzle and then line the edge of the cake at the bottom and the top with this frosting. Now line the sides of it in the middle as well and then taking some red frosting, add an outline to the top of it and the middle of the white frosting. Next take some pink frosting and make swirls on the top and the side of the cake. Next, take some light pink frosting, mix it in with some white frosting in a piping bag, and using this particular nozzle, spread it around the edges of your cake. Now, using pure white frosting, make vertical lines along the side of the cake. Now, take a piping bag, make a diagonal slit in it, add green frosting into it, and then on the sides of your cake, in the gaps that are present, make leaves-like structures out of it. Add flowers on top of this, and then we've added an angel decoration at the top. Next, take a green base cake and then take some green frosting in a piping bag with this particular nozzle and then make this decoration at the top. Make some beads on the side of it as well using this same nozzle. Now take some white frosting and then add little 5 dots in a circular shape. Make it into a flower, add a yellow center to each of it. Next, take a white base cake and then add a line on the side of it in order to make it look like the stem of a flower. Add leaves on the side as well. Then take some pink frosting and then add 5 little bead-like shapes in order to make it look like a flower. Add a yellow center to it and now line the base of your cake with pink frosting as well as the top edge of it with pink frosting. Add multiple of these flowers on the sides as well. Next, we'll start off by taking a white base color cake and then take some black and white frosting in a piping bag, mix the two together and then make multiple lines on the edges of the cake as such. Line the top edge and the side edge with this. Now, taking a stencil, make a rose out of it and then add it to the top of your cake and make cherry-like shapes on the sides. Next, taking a white frosting in a piping bag with this particular nozzle, make vertical lines on your cake. Do this for the top as well and the sides. Now, begin to make pink flower-like structures on the sides of it and then add green stems to it as such. Add little leaves on either side of it and then add an angel-like shape to the top of your cake. Next, take lavender frosting and then make these vertical shapes to it. Now do the same with yellow and pink as well. We've chosen different colors in order to do this and then add little swirls, budding swirls using different colors as well. Add little green frosting to it as well to make it look like leaves and then wrap this with some paper to make it look like a bouquet. Thank you for watching.